Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you how to download a hand PNG, and that is a copyright free and in SD. I am going to show you. It's a very simple way. Everyone can do it. And first you have to be sure that the images that you download from Google Chrome, whether it is copyright free or not. And I'm going to show you the way through which you'll be able to download the copyright free hand PNG. So let's begin it. First you have to open the Google Chrome, and then you have to be focused whether it is desktop site or not. And what you have to do is look here it is mentioned desktop site. You have to turn it on and then click here hand PNG, right, and search it. And then here you can see images. You have to click here. Here you can see a lot of images, but all of them are not copyright free, so because some of them might give you the copyright. So you have to focus which images are copyright free so that you can use in your video. So now I'm zooming it and showing you. You can see their tools. Click there, click on the tools, and after you click on the tools, then you can see here uses rights. So you have to click it, and you can see all Creative Commons license, commercials and other license. And you can see here you can see lots of images, and these all are not copyright free, so they might give you the copyright. So what you have to select is you have to select Creative Commons license so that you will not be getting any copyright. So it's a copyright free, so you have to click it on Creative Commons license. And here you can see all of these and images are copyright free, and this is a hand PNG. So in most of the video you will be able to see the images that is copyright free, and that's this image. So let's try to download this image. Okay, so from here you will not be able to download images. So if you want, you can download it even from here. You can see download images, and if you want, I'll show you two ways. You can download images from here, one way, and another way is you can visit here. You can visit the pixabay.com, and here now you can see free fair commercial use, no attribution required. Look, image type PNG. Okay, you can see this is the image of hand PNG that we are trying to download. So to download it, you have to go to free download, and you can see here the images Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required, and image type you can see PNG. So let's try to download this. To download it, you have to click on free download, and after you click, you can see a lot of this type. So choose any size you want to download. Here I am only doing for demonstration, so I'll choose a low size. Let's choose it, and now click here download. So I rested no capture print. You have to click download. Here you have to click I'm not a robot. And here you can see some sorts of captcha, and select all images with tractor. You have to select which images consist of tractors. This image, this is also tractor. And I think these are only. So click on verify. So now it got I'm not a robot. Now what you have to do is you have to download it so that it will proceed. Okay, yeah, before I have downloaded from here. So now you have to click it download. Downloading files, it is showing. Oh, and you have to click it here. You have to go to downloads. Okay, here you can see this is the image that we have downloaded before, right? and and this is the image that we have downloaded just now. So these are the PNG images. So if you want to download any files that is copyright free, then you have to download in this way. So thanks for watching this video, and see you soon in my next video. If you want some more videos regarding how to download any copyright free images or videos, so I'm going to help you in it. So thanks for watching this video.